Good morning, students. Today, I want to tell about the expanded form of exponent and power. How you will write in expanded form the given sums which has the powers. So today, I want to tell you how will you solve it. Suppose that you have to write 1 by 5 to the power 4 in expanded form. So first of all you will write 1 by 5 to the power 4. That means 1 by 5 is the base and 4 is the power. You have to write 1 by 5 up to 4 times. 4 times इसको मल्टीप्लीकेशन साइन के साथ रिपीट करना है. सो यू विल राइट 1 बाई 5 इंटू 1 बाई 5 इंटू 1 बाई 5 इंटू 1 बाई 5. दिस इज द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म एंड दिस इज द शॉर्ट फॉर्म. इफ द क्वेश्चन हैज गिवन इन दिस फॉर्म एंड दैट मीन्स एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म, you can change it in short form like this, and if short form has given, so you can change in expanded form like this. The next question is minus 12 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 4. Here two elements have been given. The first is minus 12 and second is 3. The base of first is minus 12 and the power is 3, and the base of second is 3 and base is power is 4. So first of all you will write the first element 3 times because it has power 3. So minus 12 into minus 12 into minus 12, and after that you will write 3 up to 4 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So students, this is the expanded form. If the question has given in power notation, exponent form, you can write in expanded form like this, and if expanded form is given, you can write in short form or exponent form like this. Now I want to tell you about other questions. Suppose that the question is express in power notation. Express in power notation. So how will you express? Express in power notation. नोटेशन का मतलब होता है फॉर्म, रूप, पावर के रूप में लिखना. कैसे लिख सकते हैं? सपोज दैट द क्वेश्चन हैज गिवन 256. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज 256 and you have to give the power. So first of all you have to find the prime factor of 256. 256 का प्राइम फैक्टर निकालें. As you know it has even number at the unit place. जब यूनिट प्लेस पे इवन नंबर होता है, दैट मीन्स दिस नंबर इज गोइंग टू बी डिवाइडेड बाई 2. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल डिवाइड इट बाई 2. 2 1 जा 2, 2 2 जा 4, 1 लेफ्ट एंड 6, 2 8 जा 16. अगेन दिस नंबर हैज 8 that is even at the unit place. So again it will be divided by 2. 2 6 ja 12, 2 4 ja 8, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 2 8 ja 16, 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 2. In this way you can see how many times is 2 here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 times. Here you will write 2 into 2 into 2 up to 8 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 times. Now you will write it in power notation. So 2 is the base and number of time is the power. जितनी बार इसको लिखे हैं that is the power. So you have written it by 8 times, so it will be power. So you can write 256 as a power notation. 2 to the power 8. 2 to the power 8. Suppose that some questions are in fraction mode. 49 upon 64. 49 upon 64. So you can write it. So you will also find the prime factor of 49. As you know, 49 is such a number which can only divide by 7. So you can write 7 into 7 2 times. And 64 will be divided by 2 because it has 4 at the unit place and that is even. So 2 3 are 6, 2 2 are 4. Just like you have done in the previous question. 2 1 are 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16, 2 4 are 8, 2 2 are 4 and 2 1 are 2. How many times? 6 times. 2. So here you can write 2 up to 6 times. Increase this line. Now you can write in power notation. So you can write 7. There is 2 times 7 to the power 2 and 2 up to 6 times. So 2 to the power 6. In this way you can write it in the power notation. Now I want to tell one more question to you. How will you solve next question? Suppose that the question is saying find the value of. It is saying find the value of. इसका मान निकालना है. Suppose that any questions has given 3 to the power 2 plus 4 to the power 2 plus 2 to the power 5. In this question, you have to find the value of this question. So, you should know 3 to the power 2. That means you can write 3 2 times. In this way, 3 3 are 9. 4 to the power 2, you will write 4 2 times. 4 4 are 16. 2 to the power 5. So 2 into 2 into 2 5 times. 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 2 are 16, 16 2 are 32. Once again, if there is 2 to the power 5, you will write 2 5 times and you will multiply each and every numbers one by one. 2 2 are 4, 4 2 are 8, 8 2 are 16, 16 2 are 32. In this way, here you can write like this. Now you will add all these numbers 2 and 6, 8, 8 and 9, 17. Carry 1, 1 carry and 3, 4 or 1, 5. Your answer will 47. Some more questions. If it has given 1 by 4, 3 by 4, 3 by 4 to the power 2 into minus 1 by 2 to the power 3 and 2 to the power 3. In this condition, it will be easy to you to write in expanded form. इसको आप expanded form में लिखें 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 because it has 2 power. So this base will be repeated 2 times and minus 1 by 2 has 3 powers. So minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 2, you can write it in 3 times. And this 2 has 3 powers. So 2 into 2 into 2. Now you can cut these numbers 2 by 2 here and this 2 by 2 क्रॉस डिवीजन मेथड इसको कहते हैं. एंड दिस 2 आल्सो बाय दिस 2. In this way you can see here 3 3 ja 9, 4 4 ja 16 into -1, -1, -1. This negative sign is 3 times, and when the negative sign is in odd form, their sign is also negative. So it will be negative, and 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1 का जितना बार आप मल्टीप्लाई करें, there will be answer 1. In this way 9/16 into -1, जब किसी भी पॉजिटिव नंबर का मल्टीप्लीकेशन निगेटिव नंबर में करते हैं तो उसका रिजल्ट निगेटिव होता है. इन दिस वे यू कैन राइट -9/16 and that will be your answer.